Hello everyone and welcome to the CRM Carpenters tutorial series. And now we are still in the Zoho Creator tutorial series, and now we will talk about how approval workflows works in the Zoho Creator app. So for example, there is a newly created record into your Zoho Creator app. And here we can see that there is a product model and specification form where you will fill out this by the new record of uh, product. So to begin with, we will execute in creating a Soho approval workflow. So access the edit application and go to workflow, and to the approvals tab, we will begin to create our workflow and choose a form. So we will be choosing product model and specification for now, and name the workflow approve product. So we can run this process by always, or it can be run determining the condition. So we can select everything from the field in this form and select conditions. So if the status of the brand name or is equal to something, and so forth, it will only triggered by the condition. It will consider the condition before the process should run. But in this video, we will just choose to run the process as always as it should be. And let's create the workflow. And we will begin the creating the actions to the approval. So the user, the, the type of user will be the user. And the approver will be the admin user. And it's the Arnold extensions that we have. And the approval name should be approved, and the denial will be stay as reject. And let's save this. And this will be the actions that will happen once the workflow of approval will be executed. Let's select this. So once it is approved, so what will happen is the applications will send email to notify the agent that the request has been approved. So the recipient will be the email inputted in the agent email field, and this will be the body. And let's just update this one. And next thing is what will happen once the record is rejected. So we'll also be configuring this out too, and select the recipient to agent email. And this is a sample body that we'll be using to your request has been rejected. And let's click update. So to test it out, we will begin by creating a record in the products model and specification form. So let's say the brand name is Acer and the model is ANS 150015. SKU is the code that stands for the model, and it's 001, and the quantity is 25. And the agent mail is Johnny at the crmcarpenters.com, and let's submit it. So what will happen is after we submit this record, something will notify the application. So we are expecting that the notifications will be uh, in in here. This bell indicates the notifications. So let's submit and try it. So let's try again to submit the record. So the data accepted is added successfully, and so it notifies us that there is a record that needs our approval. So let's just click this one and select the notifications that You have an approval action pending to be reviewed for a record in the form product and specification form. So we will just select this one, and this will allows us to approve the new product or reject it somehow. So if we approve this, you can also put a comment before approving it. So let's just type blah blah and select approve. And now we will confirm if the notification is sent via email to the agent email right here. And so you can see that we have received an email regarding that the product is has been approved by the application. So that's just how easy you create and operate and execute a approval workflow. Thank you for watching.